Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Equity markets tend to be more stable than most large markets. However, there are still many markets that are growing in the Asia-Pacific region, such as China and Hong Kong. Europe's Stoxx 600 has seen small gains. This is the third consecutive session of gains. Futures in the US are still firm. The dollar is strong against all major currencies except the yen. However, the tone is more consolidative. Gold rallied strongly before the weekend, but is now slowing down a little for the second session. It found support at $1,665, which is 1% lower than the high reached before the weekend. December WTI is at the lower end yesterday's range, but it is still above $90 per barrel. Asian Pacific market. Economists predict that Japan's economy, which is third in size in the world, will have grown 2.2% in the last quarter. Today's data supports that expectation. From 1.7%, September labor cash earnings increased to 2.1%. This is the first print of September above 2.0% since June 2018, the previous record being in 2014. The greenback has traded below 147.00 and is still above yesterday's low of JPY 146.00. Yesterday, the Australian dollar consolidated at the upper end its pre-weekend range. Today, it is at the upper end yesterday's range. Market of Europe. Germany's September retail sales were higher than expected, and France's consumption figures were better than expected. Italy reported an earlier today 0.5% increase, surpassing all expectations by 0.2%. Spain was the exception to the rule with a 0.5% decline. The aggregate Eurozone figure rose 0.4%, marking its first increase since May. The euro trades in a narrow range of around a third of 1 cent on either side $1.0000. At the end of this week, the UK reported its third quarter GDP. The Bank of England warned it could contract by 0.5% and began a recession that may continue through 2024. Yesterday's surge above $1.1500 is not being sustained by sterling. Although it has gained support at $1.1450 in Europe's morning, sterling still appears vulnerable. Market of America. Today is the U.S. midterm elections. It appears that Republicans will win the House of Representatives. The Senate could be either party. 538, an expert in electoral statistics, estimated that there is an 82% chance that the Republicans will win the House majority and a 58% chance that it will also take the Senate. So far, the U.S. dollar has been in a narrow range against the Canadian currency in dull transactions. For the Canadian dollar, consolidation is still favorable. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.